What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Man, I'm excited because I'm at an outlet that I've never been to before. We are in San Diego. I think this place is called the Outlets at the Border or something. But yeah, we are in San Ysidro. They do have a Nike outlet. Huge line. I'm a little bit late. What can I do though? I drove 400 miles this morning, so it is what it is. Yeah, let's go see what's up, you guys. Let's go wait in line, see if we can find some heat. There's a pretty big line, man. Hope I could get some leftovers. Hope I can find something. I think they open at 10 or 11. Don't know this location, but it is almost 1 o'clock. Yeah, man. Had to stop by the clearance center right before I came here. Wasn't able to get started as early as I wanted to. So yeah, I do have a little line. See what happens. Wow, while I was waiting in line, I just did realize this is the 22nd Nike outlet that I've been to for this channel. 22 different Nike outlets. Pretty freaking crazy. Man, and then I'm also excited about this 30% off, man. I get to use this 30% off coupon. Yeah, you guys should have it in your Nike app. You can use it one time each day. So yeah, I've got a lot to be excited for today, man. All right, hopefully you can find some stuff, you guys. Got my fingers crossed. 10-minute wait, not too bad, 10-minute wait. Oh, first time I've been here, so excited. Nothing behind the registers though. Pretty decent sized outlet. Let's see what's up. All right, the men's clearance section. Obviously, that's where I normally always start. Let's go see what's up with the size 10.5s. Dang, man, all kinds of empty spaces, man. Dang it, everybody's beat me to everything here. Well, what's going on here? $129 for these? Oh man, we're not starting off too good. What are these going for? These are the drop types. $30. Oh, okay. Oh, that's hella reasonable. Got Metcons here, going for $100. Oh no, go for $80. Not too shabby. That's the React Metcons that doesn't have any laces on it. Odyssey React Flyknit 2s going for $50. Epic React Flyknit 2s going for $75. Air Max Zeros going for $90. That's a size 8 though, okay. Vomero 14s going for $70, all white. What are these? Air Max 1s? Never seen these, going for $110. So this is a size 10? What is that? That's wild. Look at that toe guard right there, dude. That's insane. That's only $110. The clearance section is 20% off, and then you get another 30% off. Dang, that's what's up right there. $110. That probably goes down to what, 65? Damn. What are these? Oh, these are sprinting shoes. Going for $60. Okay. Going down in size 9.5. Still $30. The Jordan Max 200s going for $85. Air Max 200s going for $100. Air Max 95s go for $120. Air Max 200s go for $100. Got some Joyride. These are the dual runs going for $55. That's an 8.5 though. Oh, I think the size 9. There's just like a very small sliver of size 9s. That's it. 7.5 now? Dang, 8, 7.5. They're all kind of jumbled up. Flytrap 2s going for $50. Got the Vapor Wing Premiums going for $75. This is size 7. Yeah, this has like some really good leather on it. It's specifically for tennis. I think it's a classic that they used to use for tennis. So yeah, so it is 20% off the clearance section, and then we still do have that 30% off coupon. Definitely want to utilize that. I just saw some worker carrying some Jordans. I had to ask him. He's like, no, they're not going out on the floor. I was like, dang it, okay. Renew runs right here, size 8. I don't know what the price is. The one right below is going for $45. So okay, both size 8. Got some Kyrie Low 2s going for $110. I'm not liking the prices too much today. Size 7s here. What are these? Court Royals going for $50. Size 7. Not finding much in the small size. I might have to go to the bigger sizes. Size 11s, and then on the right there's bigger sizes. All right, I just asked one of the workers. He said they don't have anything in the back. I don't know if I trust them, but yeah. Air Max 200s right here going for $100. Size 11.5. Ultrafly 2 lows. This is size 10, go for $60. Kyrie 6. Oh, I've never seen this colorway. What the hell? Okay, Wolf Gray go for $130. Got another one of these Air Max 1s. These are dope, dude. I've never seen this. $110. 11s. Oh, this is size 12. There's no way this is $95. I bought this for like $27. What's going on here? Dang. All right, we're in the size 12s. PG3's going for, that's a 12.5, but 45 bucks. Oh, that's a hell of a deal, dude. Yeah, if they had my size, I'd probably pick that up for that cheap. PG4's probably going for the same price. Oh, what? What? It's 11.5, but 110? Oh my goodness. Size 12 still. Jumpman 2020's going for $80. Not really finding much, you guys. Evergreen Flyknits going for 75. Got some carpets. Okay, these are dope. These are the ones I actually like. Going for retail. That's what I don't like. Oh, I was like, what? Some retros. Nope. Jumpman Team 1s. They're trying to get retail for them. This place is weird, dude. I'm sorry. Not feeling this place at all. The Metcon 5s right here going for 100 bucks. That's size 12.5. I did take a peek at the aisles. I did see some dope stuff at the aisles. Oh, okay. I see some interesting stuff in the size 13 here. I've never seen this colorway of the Air Max 200s. I don't know why. Okay. That's an interesting colorway. Going for $45, size 13s. Oh, okay. There's some of the deals. Size 13, got the Carver 2s, USA colorway. Retail though. More of these, going for a really good price. PG3s, $45. All right, you guys, we do have a viewer here. He's also a YouTuber too, so we're gonna talk about his channel. He did find some really good steals. The Airspan 2s, you guys know about these because I bought these. These are $35, but we get that 20% off first, then 30% off. So it's like $19. He also got these, the Ghost Racers. These are going for $50. And then, I don't know what the heck those are. What were those? I saw those a second ago.
Like
the Air Max 200, but it's like a, yeah, Jordan, but.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, but it's just a Nike sign, and then it says SB on it too. But yeah, I don't really know. But yeah, those are going for hella cheap though. That's all I saw. Yeah. But you be doing reselling, right?
Yeah.
And so he does have a resale channel. It's Henry, you guys. He does have a resale channel. I'll put the information right next to him. So make sure you guys go check out his channel, Henry Got Hustle. So go check it out. He is up to almost 600 subs, and he's only been doing it for 6 months. So yeah, go check him out. It's nice to see the young guys out there hustling, dude. And are you the dad? Yeah. What's your name?
Henry too.
Henry? Oh, okay. We got Henry Sr. right there and Henry Jr. So definitely appreciate you guys check out the channel. And yeah, go check out Henry Got Hustle, you guys. I really didn't find that much in the clearance section. But yeah, let's go see what's up in the aisles. I think we might have some dope stuff. They do have a Jordan section right here. Yeah, there's really not much going on here. Ultra Fly 2 Lows. Mars 270's got a couple colorways. Got the Jordan Creators right here. Fadeaways. Pro Tour React Z's. Oh, dang, he's wearing the Travis Scotts. Okay, okay. And then this is where I saw some dope stuff, you guys. The Jumpman Hustle, not this one. Yeah. The Jumpman Team 2s. Totally looks like the Jordan 13 box, man. Tricking us like that. That's messed up. Then they do got the Kawhis, you guys. But it says not included in promo, so you don't get the 30% off. Yeah, I guess so. No discounts on this stuff, but they do have sizes 10, 9, and I think that's about it. 10.5? Yeah, that's about it. Wow, very limited in sizing. They also got the Jordan 7s, you guys. And this one, it does look like you can use the 30% off. So that comes down to $140. They have more size on this, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10, 10.5. I think up to 11s and 12s. Okay, so not bad. All right, make sure you guys go ahead, follow me on Instagram, especially if you're in the area, because I do post all my latest finds, so you guys could actually have a chance to get some of these, you guys. Do have the Mamba Focus. Damn, they're going down in price. Okay. Got some Kyrie's here, Kyrie 6, Kyrie Low 3s, Fly Traps. They got one of everything, dang. Kyrie, did I say Kyrie? They do have the KD 13s, KD Trey 5.7s, PG 4s. Okay, these are going down in price in the outlets like they should. Dude got the Kyrie 6s. They got a bunch of Kyries here. Is this the Oreo or is this the white one? I don't know. 70 bucks, dude. And then you get that 30% off. Not bad. Kyrie 6 11s. Dude got, these are the Asias, right? Yeah, these are the Asias. 100 bucks. Yeah, that's dope. Kyrie 16s. These are the lows. Not bad. Zoom Freak 2s. Right next to the Zoom Freak 1s. Court Vision lows. These ain't too bad. These aren't bad at all. Evergreen lows. Flight Posit 2s. I knew these were gonna keep going down, man. I remember seeing these for hella expensive at the outlets way back when. Shocks BB4s. Wow, that's hella cheap. And then, yeah, another one of the Shocks BB4s. This was a quick strike too. Wow, this has that cool texture right there. Has that Raptor, the Raptor marks right there. Man, and did 80 bucks for these. All right. Ghost Swift's going for hella cheap. And got its brother going for a little bit more. Shocks NZEUs, huh? The Air Spans going for a little bit more than we want to pay. Regular Hirachis, Vision Reacts, Prestos, more React Prestos. Then got the Element 87s. Dang, there's a lot of aisles here, you guys. There's a lot of aisles. Dude got the Air Force Utility Black History Months. Dang, I forgot this was a quick strike. Dang, $110 for these. These started off at 200 though. Wow, we're starting to see the Space Hippies. Wow, these are the Space Hippie 4s. We've seen these sit everywhere. Crazy to see these at the outlets. Got its brother right here. That's insane. You got some 270s, 270 React. We definitely have seen these at quite a few outlets now. These are the Air Zoom types. Yeah, supposed to be super comfy. Air Max Tri-X. Come in the freaking Jordan 12 box. Confuse the hell out of me all the time. Air Max 270 Reacts, Easter colorway. More 270 Reacts. Last one, Air Max 2090s. We're gonna see plenty of these here and pretty much at every other outlet. 100 bucks for these. Almost the last colorway. Then the last 2090 right here. React Metcons, Metcon 4s. Dang, do a lot of people work out here? Metcon 5s. More Metcon 5s. Yep. Oh wait, this one's like way far away from everybody else. Look, the upper texture is different, and then look at this. It's got regular tumbled leather in the back. I haven't seen that. Wow. The Zoom Wild Horse 5. What the heck are these? Look like trail running shoes. Going for really cheap. Speaking of trail running shoes, we got the Pegasus 36 trails, Pegasus 36s, bunch of colorways. Got the Team Bank one right here. Got some turbos, Pegasus Turbo 2s, 35 turbos. I think the laces are a little bit different, and then the lacing mechanism is a little different on these as well. More Pegasus 35s. Dang, they got so many Pegasus. What's up? Yeah, not bad. More mundane colorway. Alright, when I did that circular pan, it came out so bad. But it is what it is. I'm going to include it anyways. Red 11s, you guys. Man, staple. Just, you know, classic. Can't go wrong with these. Then, I don't know if I showed these a while back. These are some shorts that I did get at the clearance center. These got them for like 26 bucks. They were list MSRP for like 90, or I think the MSRP was like 85 on these. But yeah, can't go wrong with apparel from the clearance center. Alright, we've already checked out quite a lot, but yeah, we haven't checked out any of the women's section yet. Let's go see what's up there. They do have a really big clearance section for the women. Man, let's see what's going on here. Starting with the size 9s, you guys. Do got the Vomero 14s going for $65. I did check the size 12s, and I didn't really see anything, so that's why I didn't show you guys. Do got tailwinds right here, go for $70. More Pegasus 35s. I don't know what the price is. Right next to it, got some turbos, Turbo 2, size 5.5 though. Look at how small these are. Going for $70, dang. Air Max 200s, size 8, going for 60 bucks. Alright, size 8.5, tailwinds going for 100. Damn, seeing like the same shoes over and over. Renew Lucents going for 55. We saw these earlier, right? So we got some Flyknits, Zoom Flyknits going for $40. That's actually a really good price, because this is full length React, does have carbon fiber on it. Yeah, got them in 8.5 too, $40 plus 30% off, and oh man, that's insane, you guys. They do have a lot of it's the same though. First of all, this is a 5Y, and it doesn't even have a price, plus to React. Right next to that, we got some Evergreen Flyknits, 9.5 going for 65. Pegasus 34s going for 55. These oh, these are more kids. What the heck? 70 for these. Then we're seeing a lot of same stuff. Size 7.5. We just saw those. We saw these earlier. Size 6. Yeah, I got them in size 7 as well. Tailwinds. We're seeing the same stuff over and over. The Evergreen Flyknits. It started off so promising in the women's section, but same old stuff. Wow. Let's look at the aisles. We got some Daybreaks right here. Pretty dope. I think we saw this in the clearance section at the last place we went to. 55 for those. So you got some React Visions. Got some women's Nike SB. I actually haven't seen that anywhere at the clearance centers. Okay. These are the SB Bruins for going for 55. Pretty dope. Air Max 2 lights. Got the React 270s. More React 270s. I guess with the exception of this is a Nike Legend. This is a Legend React. Right next to it do have some Revolutions, Renew runs, more Renew runs. Just nothing super exciting, to be really honest. Yeah, let's go check out the children's or the grade school sections, see what's up. We are in the grade school, you guys. This is Air Force One. That's definitely interesting with the different color material right there. Okay, price is decent. Air Max Plus, 720s right here. That's like the Iron Man color. Okay, some 818 720s. Got some Prestos, Presto Reacts. Definitely finding a lot more interesting things in the kids section. Got some React 270s, more of those. Last colorway of the React 270s. Got some Air Max 95s, okay. Got a holiday colorway of the Air Max 95s, that's kind of interesting. Got skates, I got Christmas trees right there from Nike signs, that's kind of dope. Dang, okay, go for 80 bucks. Air Max 90s, tailwinds, more tailwinds. Damn, the kids section got more heat than most of the other sections, what the heck? But yeah, I do got some LeBron's All-Star colorway. Dang. I guess they come in regular boxes for the kids. They don't come in the dope boxes, huh? That's interesting. You got LeBron's James Gang colorway, Zoom Freak ones. Dang, they even got a little Jordan section here. Okay, that's hella interesting. These are the 617 23s, the Air Max 200s, the Jordan Max 200s, 270s, Mars 270s, and then the last one right there. All right, I think I did cover the apparel section in the last place I went to, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up because I do need to hit up a few more spots today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. All right, I did look around in the apparel section, didn't really find much. So yeah, now we are officially done. All right, that was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys enjoyed the visit. I think that was like the 22nd Nike outlet that I've been to for the channel. That was pretty dope. Was exciting to go to a brand new outlet that I haven't been to. Didn't really find the dopest deals. You know, it looks like Henry did find some steals. That was pretty dope. But I wasn't able to find much. It is what it is. Big old shout out to Henry as well as to David. It's so much fun talking to you guys. I definitely appreciate you guys saying what's up. Got to chop it up a little bit. Go ahead and make sure you guys check out Henry's channel. He is a young and up-and-coming YouTuber working on his flip game, which is pretty dope. Kids learning about business and stuff like that. That's actually pretty dope. Yeah, this entire week, I am trying to hit up a bunch of different Nike outlets, not necessarily in LA, but in different areas. So you guys are going to be able to see that the rest of this week. I'll also be going to the malls because I'm trying to get some raffles and stuff like that. So I'll definitely be doing that. So yeah, you guys definitely know there'll be some new ones. Make sure you guys help your boy. Press that like button. Click that subscribe button as well as that notification button if you are new to the channel. And yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.